I'm Allie and I'm from Omogo.
And I'm Emily, I'm from Foreman.
We're the Rips and Imps team
Of 2015.
Yeah.
Well, a big moment for me was when I've always been kind of squeamish around, slimy reptiles and amphibians. But I did the project because I thought it was cool and I was like, let's get out of my comfort zone. Books, movies, TV shows, literature, it doesn't do it justice. I mean, I wish I could capture it, but you really have to experience. I didn't realize how beautiful it was. I really didn't until I came.
Once you get down here and experience it for yourself, it changes how you see it. Like, it changes how important you feel it is to you.
I'm William Spangler. I'm from Blue Hill, Maine, and my project is Bird Team.
I'm Tori Jester. I'm from Amherst, Massachusetts, and I am also on Bird Team.
When you're in the classroom preparing to come down here, things just seem like numbers and pictures and statistics. Then once you actually get down here and have your boots on the ground, do things start making sense and you start seeing how things come together and how things become put together.
It starts to become more real and not just, people talking about it. It becomes more hands-on.
How much of an impact we all have on the rainforest and really on the planet. Because a lot of times you really don't think about it. What does this, packet crackers have to do with the rainforest? And then you look at the back of it and you see palm oil or pineapples and you realize that a lot of the rainforest's deforestation comes from these crops to make these average snacks and other products that we really that we just don't pay attention to.
Okay, I'm Addison Kilty. I'm a senior at Wamogo.
I'm Tristan J. Ratnam. I'm a senior at the Foreman School.
I'm Gordon Wilson. I'm a senior at the Foreman School.
And we are the 2015 Spider Silk team. Before I came down, I've always had a love for the environment and want to help protect it and restore it. But actually coming down here and seeing what could be gone so quickly in just 30, 40 years was very alarming and an eye-opener that we need to be making much larger changes than what we have been in the past.
Actually, I thought most of the rainforest was already torn down at this point because we made it very clear during our studies that it was very much in danger. But when I came down here, I was very surprised that there's still a lot of it left, and what we could do to save it is a lot higher now.
When you land in Costa Rica, or not even before you land, when you look out of the plane window and you see the Costa Rican mountains, it is such I will never forget how overwhelmingly beautiful it was. And actually landing and being here and seeing the jungle, it's crazy.
Being amidst it all.
That's right.
Yeah.
The transition from civilization to this kind of environment is absolutely phenomenal. How that is.
Peter Newmark.
Brooke Shimwell.
Tyler Dunn. I'm a junior at the Foreman School.
Bioacoustics and Telemetry team.
We're bioacoustics and telemetry.
I loved every single second of it. The people were amazing, but what was even more amazing was what we were doing.
It showed me a different side of the world. We're so used to all these buildings and, texting and always thinking about what's next. And when you're down there, you're only thinking one thing. It's, to do your project, to go out on, at least for my team, go out and get get as many sounds as you can, or find that animal to track and, get a recording of. And just thinking about one thing and not thinking about the next text or something was just amazing.
This may not be exactly a relaxing project, but this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You don't get times like this to do something like this any other time in your life.